Bless the Lord, O my soul. O Lord, my God, you are very great. You are clothed with honor and majesty. Verse 2. You who cover yourselves with light as with a garment, who stretch out the heavens like a curtain. Verse 3. He lays the beams of his upper chambers in the waters, who makes the clouds his chariot, who walks on the wings of the wind. Verse 4. Who makes his angels spirit, his ministers a flame of fire. Verse 5. You who laid down the foundations of the earth, so that it should not be moved forever. Verse 6. You covered it with the deep as with a garment. The waters stood above the mountains. Verse 7. At your rebuke they fled. At the voice of your thunder they hastened away. Verse 8. They went up over the mountains. They went down into the valleys, to the place which you founded for them. Verse 9. You have set a boundary that they may not pass over, that they may not return to cover the earth. Verse 10. He sends the springs into the valleys. They flow among the hills. Verse 11. They give drink to every beast of the field. The wild donkeys quench their thirst. Verse 12. By them, the birds of the heavens have their home. They sing among the branches. Verse 13. He waters the hills from his upper chambers. The earth is satisfied with the fruit of your works. Verse 14. He causes the grass to grow for the cattle, and vegetation for the service of men, that he may bring forth food from the earth. 15. And wine that makes glad the heart of man, oil to make his face shine, and bread which strengthens man's heart. Verse 16. The trees of the Lord are full of song, the cedars of Lebanon, which you planted. 17. Where the birds make their nest, the stork has her home in the fair place. Amen.
Amen.